So I will definitely post that right after this live is over. So now what's also important is rebuilding self-esteem and confidence. This is so important. So the journey, for speaking for myself, I had to rebuild my self-esteem and confidence and self-compassion. Okay, self-love is so important. And self-love doesn't exactly mean getting your nails done or going to the hair salon, because if you're not able to do that, self-compassion, self-love means that, going out for a walk in the park. Now this morning, and I still do it to this day, I took a yoga class this morning in my apartment complex. There's a teacher who comes here once a week, and she teaches yoga. So I am getting back into shape, and one of my goals is to increase my flexibility. So